capital. Excess capital simply means how much money do they have in the bank. And this is what I'm going to talk about. This is the big, ugly elephant in the living room. Okay, this is something I'm telling you. I haven't seen this on anybody's website. Okay, so this is one of the things that probably if some of these brokers knew I was talking about it, they would, and I had an account with them, they'd probably just shut it down. And good luck in getting my money back for all of the reasons above. Anyway, so if the broker went out of business, the client accounts would disappear. And just do a search on Refco and Google, and you'll see exactly what I mean. So, I talk about this in the news trading document, but basically what this means is you don't want to put a ton of money in a Forex broker account. Because if you've got $100,000 in that account and you're not using it all to trade, and they go out of business, your $100,000 is gone. So let's talk about this whole thing about excess capital. Again, this is something, if you go to the CFTC website, you're going to see this excess capital listed as one of their items. And what you're going to see is there are some brokers who have a lot of excess capital. Most of the brokers do not. Excess capital is money above and beyond client accounts. And when you see a broker that has very little excess capital, that means that they are trading against you on an active basis. They steal stops. They'll run and gun the market, which basically means, they'll whipsaw the market around to try and entice people to get in. They will do everything they can to, quite frankly, sucker people to get into the market. Bear with me for a moment. Okay, that was the wife. She warrants a pause in recording. Because quite frankly, I'm worried about maybe she's in an accident. Okay, so the running and gunning the stops. So again, excess capital is the key. The two brokers which I suggested, Interbank FX, they're okay as far as excess capital is concerned. With MB Trading or EFX, it doesn't matter. And here's why. When you trade with a broker like MB Trading or with EFX.com, they are a different breed of broker, and they're what's called an ECN broker. Let me write this out on the screen for you. Well, you know what? First of all, let me go to the next slide. Whoops. Okay. So let me talk about some of this first. Okay, so in the Forex market, this is what I call the scam. And it's because this is something that isn't explained very well on the broker websites. They don't go out of their way to explain this part of the Forex market to you. The Forex market is what's called an over-the-counter or OTC. In the stock market, these are called the pink sheets. Okay, pink sheets. And when you trade in a pink sheet stock, not bulletin board, but if you trade in a pink sheet stock, that you're trading directly with that broker. And this is why there can be a lot of scams in these penny stocks, because you're trading directly with the broker. So when you win, it's the broker who loses oftentimes. And when you win consistently in the Forex market, the broker will target you. This means that you can go on what's called manual execution. Manual execution is where the broker has to literally manually approve your order. So if you place an order to buy, you click on buy on your trading application, it doesn't go in right away. Literally, somebody on the trading desk has to get around to looking at the order and saying, yes, I'll buy from you, or yes, I'll sell to you. So when you're trading actively, that can be a major problem, because you're not going to get filled when you think you're going to get filled. In fact, your broker will usually tell you. They'll send you an email and say, due to recent activity in your account, you've been placed on manual execution. What that means is go find another broker. They'll also run and gun your stops. In fact, the last time this happened to me with FXCM, I was trading in one of the currency cross pairs. That means I was trading the euro-yen, and they literally moved the market 30 pips. to come and take me out. The market was moving up. They came down, took my stop, and traded the market as it started moving up. And that was the last time I recommended FXCM. I was an introducing broker for them because I had